After Vice President Constantino Chiwenga confronted President Emmerson Mnangagwa on the corruption issues, leadership complicit, and they wrote in ZANU-PF during last week's Politburo meeting ahead of the party's annual conference in Mutare next month. The president swiftly unleashed his trusted weapon, the fearless and the tenacious Chris Muchangwa, on his deputy. Sanapena mashoko kubuda panguva ino yachinuka kunzi aiwa vakomana zvigananda zvabatwa panguva ino, and now vakushandisa vana mawatermouth vakaita sana Muchangwa kuti vachirwa naVP Constantino Chiwenga. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda panguva ino mu the news okusanendera mberi vachiti like a bulldog, Muchangwa mount Chiwenga yet again in a vicious but relatively restrained attack. Muchangwa said Chiwenga was not the only one who fought in the war and was just like many others who did from Zebra and Santla, not special or a superhero in any way. The party spokesperson was defending ZANU-PF Secretary for Security, Lovemo Matuke, who is also State Security Minister, after he came under attack from Chiwenga in the Politburo, who told him he did not fight the war during an explosive debate on corruption. Matuke, the Mnangagwa diehard, was fighting in his boss tight corner after Chiwenga brought a corruption dossier saying the president's business cronies like Udakwasheta Gurei and others were corrupt. After that, Mnangagwa further pushed back against Chiwenga through vengeful Politburo changes, which are designed and calculated to thwart the vice president's presidential ambitions in a far dangerous escalation that pushes ZANU-PF to a brink of chaos now seemingly inevitable. Thomas Kwaruda Panguino Chunkon's VP Constantino Chiwenga Panguino is under attack. Panguino Chunkon's after I release a dossier. Panguino Anamushangwa Panguino Wakachum fighter. Anyas Kunkon's Chiwenga, his points, they held water. Panguwa ine vanama tuke vakamboda kumboda ataka bataka abauza mashoko akabaya parere moyo zvatakuna na Muchangwa kuya vachidefenda vana Lovemo Matuke ranawo pakuitwa marisha force. All these things are being done panguwa ine to sideline the vice president. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu za mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.